Hi, this is how to enable audio na Dahua camera. So you just log into the NVR. So in this case I'm using this. Then I come to camera. Then I go to encode. And the encode settings, there's usually more. So if the camera has a built-in mic, you can enable audio. Also choose the compression you prefer based on the requirement, and then I guess sampling, just leave it as default, and then that's it. So once you do that for the mainstream, also do it for the substream, because if you miss the substream, then you're going to have challenges. One side playing audio and another, maybe on the mobile app no audio, but on the screen there is audio. So make sure you cover the mainstream and the substream. Even if you have other streams, make sure you also cover that. So that is how you enable, and then once finished, make sure to apply. So once you apply, that's it. The camera is able to record audio and you're able to hear. So that's it. Thank you.